Hello everyone. In this video, I'll continue building the web client using the Milestone XPMobileSDK, and I will focus here on showing live video streams into the browser. What you can expect to see here is whenever we logged in and we expand the tree structure and you click on some of the cameras, you'll see some video feeds actually going on. This is an encoder, so it's just a video stream. So this is what we'll cover here, and more importantly, I want to know that this actually, the video streaming is coming out of the box and it's provided by the Milestone SDK. You don't have to call it actually to see the video stream. And now let me show you that. So when we go to the code, here in the index.html file, there is nothing new since we left it last video with the review. In the JavaScript, you'll see here in the main.js file two new components that they are actually shipped with the SDK, and you can use it out of the box to show video in your application. They are located into the XPMobileSDK folder, lib, modules, and these are the two modules that the video connection is handling the video connection to the server, parsing frames, and everything related to the video connection, creating a WebSocket and receiving data. And the video stream actually is showing the parsed data into the browser by using the video tag. So everything is implemented. You need to include it and just use it. So these are the components that I have already added here into the list of the web components that we will include in our application. And the different part here was in the preview, the difference since the last implementation. What I have added here is this event listeners. Let me just see. Yes. So in the event listeners, the last time that we have leave the application was to just to draw the menu itself, and now what we will have here is to take all the cameras, the Lee with type cameras. I will show you this also new. Then we will loop through this list of DOM elements with cameras and assign a listener. We'll dispatch an event, a custom event, to notify our application, Milestone app component, that a click camera event occurs with the detail about the camera. So we need the ID of the camera and the module name. So now when you go to the template, you'll see that I have made some changes here also. And these are here in the render element. Whenever we are rendering an element, we will add an attribute, which is the ID of the element and the type of the element. This is the change that I have made in the template. So now, whenever the camera is clicked, it will fire a new custom element that will be handled from our Milestone application. And here we have another listener added to a preview, which will be click camera. And whenever this happens, it will trigger this function of click camera. This method here, what we will do, we will create a new web component. We will assign the ID of the camera as an attribute of the element. It will attach to the div and dispatch a custom event, which is called start. That's it. You dispatch start, and everything is handled by the Milestone XPMobileSDK. It will connect to the small server, request a start stream command. Then the mobile server will send it back what is the video ID, and then it will open the WebSocket, connect to this video ID, and start receiving data from the mobile server. That's related with the camera. The only catch up here is that you will be able to receive video and render it like this. Where was that? I think I have to log in again, but you can receive video and play it in the browser only if it is H.264. If the camera is H.264, you will be able to do that. If it is JPEG, you have to implement it yourself, or H.265, you also have to implement the whole logic here itself. This out-of-the-box components works only on H.264. So I hope you like this video and you learned something. There's a very easy way to play video in your application using the built-in components in the SDK. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. See you.